Hey guys, it's Tajia. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I just wanted to do a little intro. This is another vlog, so honestly I don't even know why I'm doing an intro, but I just wanted to say hey and get into the video. Okay, so I kind of have a new way of how I do my eyebrows, and I was like, it's not really that great because it doesn't always look good still, but I was like, let's just put it into a vlog. Like I said, I'm filming my gingerbread makeup tutorial. That video will be linked down below, but I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. So this is like my eyebrows before I do anything to them. They're so like uneven. It like irks me. By the way guys, please ignore my breakout. Like I said, I'm breaking out. I don't know if it's because like the weather or like my new medicine. It might be that too. By the way, I think it's day like 4. Let me check. I took it on the 3rd and it's the 6th, but I feel pretty good. So I did go out to eat with my sister and some other people, and I was feeling very anxious like in that social situation, but as far as like depression as of right now, it's going pretty okay. So that's good. So anyways, yeah, let me show you guys how I do my eyebrows. So like I said, this is my eyebrows right now. Ugh, ew. This is the palette that I'm going to be using. This is the Morphe 25A palette. It fell, so like some of the shades are broken, but I think I'm gonna take like this shade to like do my eyebrows. Sometimes I like them to be like a little bit of a red undertone sometimes. I'm gonna take this Morphe E29 brush. I'm just basically gonna like brush my eyebrows and get them kind of like to a starting point. You guys know like with your eyebrows, like how they are naturally all the time look different from like when you like can like brush the hairs and lay them into the position that you want them to be in. So I'm just doing that now. I'm gonna take some of that powder, that eyeshadow. I'm basically just gonna like fill it in. Basically I'm trying to make them even, so I'm just kind of gonna like fill it in. I recently have just been kind of like filling in. This might be a little bit hard since it is, let me do it this way, since it is like a different color. I'm probably gonna have to put it all throughout my brow, but that's fine. But like I said, I'm just kind of trying to make my brows even. I've been really liking the non product in the front, but like I said, I'm just gonna put a little bit just because the eyeshadow is like kind of like auburn, so I want my brow to be all one color, if that makes sense. So but I'm still not like shaping it. I'm just kind of like putting the powder through it. I'm really liking the like natural look. I don't know why. Oh, and you want to know what kind of started me doing this? Not doing this, it was literally like a few days ago, maybe like last week. I overplucked my brow a little bit like here, so it looked very like weird when I would like not do anything to them. I mean, I doubt it looked that weird, but you know, like when you're like inspecting everything about yourself, there's just some things that like bother you. That was kind of bothering me, and I had like a doctor's appointment or whatever. So I just did that, and I was like, I actually really like the way that this looks. So but like I said, I'm just doing a little bit extra this time because the color is different, but you guys see how it still looks like natural. I'm gonna take this like elf eyebrow, what is it called, like a clear brow gel. It's almost empty, so I'm just like trying to really get in there, and this is kind of just basically to like set everything. I'm just gonna lightly, very lightly, so like none of the eyeshadow moves. I'm gonna take the NYX. I have been using this concealer ever since like I started makeup, and I still really like it. I use it to like conceal my brows and stuff. This is the NYX full coverage concealer in the shade CJ05. I love this concealer. So I'm gonna take that on a Morphe 124 brush. And if I was doing it like a natural makeup look, then I kind of like did it very lightly. But now that I'm doing like makeup, not natural makeup, but like if I was just doing my brows, but since I'm doing makeup, I'm kind of gonna put a good amount. I like a good amount. I can't talk. I like my eyebrows to look very like concealed under. I know that look like is fading a little bit. Like not everybody likes it, but I'm like, I love it. I never really did like super light compared to like my skin, but I do make it a little bit lighter. But I know when people don't like it when it's like too light. I'm like, this, I don't think I'll ever like not like cleaning up my eyebrows. Especially like I'm not like really super the best at doing my eyebrows, so this kind of just like saves me in those aspects. Now I'm gonna take a beauty sponge. I'm gonna take a brush for the top just to make sure it's like blended away good. This is pretty much this is my finished natural brow routine. Like I said, I'm still not a pro. I think I just learn new things every day to do with my eyebrows because they're always like uneven and like annoying to me. So like this is kind of what they are looking like right now. Not bad, right? Like honestly, if there was something that I would say that I'm not like the best at, I mean lots of things, I'm not very like confident in the things I do, but it's definitely like brows. But I feel like it looks pretty good for my face. Let's see. I think they look pretty good. They're still uneven. Like I'm not saying that it makes them perfectly even, but I think it fixes a little bit of the problem. So yeah. I don't know what the next clip is going to be because this is like I said, like I keep saying, from a different video where I'm about to film a makeup tutorial. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my quick little updated brow routine. Like I didn't think, I mean I might do it like a full other video on it, but as of right now I don't think it's perfected enough to do that. So I'm just not going to do that. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this updated brow routine. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have any tips for how to make my brows look better, because like I said, I just am not the best at brows. I don't know why. Like, and I also think, no, that's not true. I was gonna say, I also think because it doesn't excite me, but like I'm pretty excited that my brows look good right now, so it does excite me. It's just like obnoxious and annoying because you're like trying to get them to be right, and even though everybody says like brows are cousins not sisters, or sisters not twins, whatever the saying is, you still feel like annoyed when your brows don't match. So yeah, this is 9 minutes. That's crazy. But all right, so yeah, a little 10-minute brow routine for you guys. So I just bought these clear ornaments from like the dollar store. I got 2 packs. I got smaller ones because I'm gonna put them on my Christmas tree, and I have a small Christmas tree. So, and then we have like a whole bunch of like paint and stuff. I wanted to get puffy paint, but I couldn't find any. But I think it'll still be fine because I can use like hot glue and then paint that. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm really excited because I'm just like been craving some crafts recently. So yeah. I don't know if I said it, but I'm going to be making like, these ones are going to be like gingerbread. I put it on this so I don't have to like touch it. I'm actually a genius. So yeah, these are going to be like gingerbread. I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to do like white squigglies all over it. So yeah. So now I think I'm going to do kind of like a line abstract with this one. So I'm going to take some of this painter's tape. I'm going to use this darker brown. My colors, as you can see, well, these are gonna be like gingerbread. I love this color. I'm gonna use like browns and nudes, so I'm just gonna take this. So I was debating if I wanted to use like this color because I really like this color, on the other side of like this color, so then it'll be like a brownish nude, or if I wanted to use gold. But I really like this color, and I think these look good together, like the browns. So I think I'm gonna do that light brown on this side. All right, so for this next one, I'm thinking of adding some of this light pink in with this color to see what kind of color it makes, because I want it to be more like pinkish. So let's just see what color it'll make if I mix these two. This is what the dry gingerbread ones look like. These ones are drying. So let's move over to these ones. Okay, and I'm gonna start doing some like squiggly lines. So this is it before the white paint. It's cute, I guess. It's a little messy. And this is the other one. I think I might do a little bit more than just like these little things. They're cute, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, this one definitely needs more, so maybe I'll do like another squiggly. Now I'm gonna take some of this white paint that I have and just paint the line just to make sure it looks super white. It already got a little bit white, like not white, but like the glue got kind of like creamy, as you can see. So I'm just gonna lightly paint over. I'm laughing because it's a little messy, but I still kind of like love it. I don't know if it's because I made it, but like I think it's pretty cute. Like, yes, it's very messy, but like that's cute, right guys? Kind of. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, now I'm gonna take the tape off of these ones and see what it's looking like. Not bad. Do you guys think I should do like a line encompassing this clear thing? I think that would be okay. Even though I don't have like the shaky, I mean I don't have like the steadiest hand. I'm gonna take some white. I kind of like it. I think they're cute as like a pair, and then obviously these little gingerbread type ones, I think they're not bad. Now let's put the little hangy thing back on them and see what they look like. Move over to the sit down camera so we can show these like on a better quality, but these are kind of cute, guys. Like, I'm a little bit proud of myself. They're a little bit messy, but they're still like kind of cute. So okay guys, so I'm gonna show you my little ornaments. So I did two kind of like gingerbread inspired ones. So I have these two, which I think they're a little messy, like I said, but I think they're kind of cute. I have those, and then the other ones that I did are kind of just like nude brown inspired. So then I have these two. These are the finished DIY ornaments. I honestly think these ones are kind of my favorite. They're just like really cute. These ones are cute too, but like I don't know, I just love these. I'll show you guys a little clip of them on my tree. I'm just gonna take some thumbnail pictures, so that's why I'm not putting them on right this second. But yeah, this is what they look like. I think they're so cute. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Definitely make your own ornaments. It's really fun when you do it with like a bunch of people as well. Usually my family, my sisters, my mom will do them like every year together. We might still do them this year. I just wanted to like show you guys in a video how fun it is to make your own ornaments. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to see more of me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here, but it'll also be in the description box down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more Vlogmas videos. I hope you guys liked it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.